Do subscribe to Ekeeda channel and press bell icon to get updates about latest engineering, HSC and IIT JEE main and advanced videos.
Hello students, let us solve question number 18, 2016 JEE Mains Physics paper. Hello students, let us solve question number 18, which is obviously a theoretical question. Arrange the following electromagnetic radiations for quantum in the order of increasing energy. So, in terms of increasing energy, we have to arrange these electromagnetic waves. These are blue light, yellow, X-rays and radio waves. We must have the electromagnetic spectrum in electromagnetic spectrum. We have the order like this is the order. R stands for radio waves, micro, infrared, visible, ultraviolet, X-ray and gamma rays. Then you can remember this with you can make a sentence to remember this: red man in violet uniform with hexagon. This way you can remember the order, and we know that the from this end towards this end energy is increasing. From this end to this end the energy is increasing, so we have to write the increasing energy levels starting from the lower to the higher. Radio will be the first one, radio waves will be the first one, lower. This one is the first one, this is the D. Then we have micro is not there, infrared is not there, visible is there. In visible, this is R will be here and V will be here. This is how you write. So in yellow will come first, this will come first, yellow, and this is B, the yellow in B, so it is B. Blue is here and blue is A, so then comes A, that is blue light, and X-ray will be here, that is C. So this is the having X-ray is having highest energy in the following four options. So this is the highest, this is the lowest. We have to move from lowest to highest. So D, B, A, C. This is the increasing order of energy. So D, B, A, C. D is less than B, less than A, less than C. D, B, A, C. D, B, A, C is this one. So option number A is correct. Thank you.